Alright guys, so I ordered me a top from Yoycol, and they are a print-on-demand store. They are in China. I ordered this also December 7th, so again, production, shipping, everything will be, what, about 3 weeks, 3 plus. So here is how the packaging came, and I did order a shirt, a blouse. So here's how it has come. In a little like garment bag. And here is the shirt. Very pretty, very vibrant. This is the exact design that I created. The colors are absolutely beautiful. So I'm gonna go try it on. I'll be right back. Okay, here's the shirt on. So it is super cute, super vibrant. The design is exactly how I created it. The blouse is soft. It's a little tiny bit stretchy. You can wear it out long. If you have some leggings, it's be cute, or you can just tuck it in the front and keep it long in the back. So there you have it.